Okay guys, so I'm gonna be playing some Beast Form, but I'm not gonna be like showing you gameplay of Beast Form. I'm gonna show you some stuff you could get all throughout the 20B game. So let's hop in. Okay. So I'm gonna be showing you free things like tickets, royal jellies, and treats and stuff. So yeah. Okay, please load. Beast Form, please. My God. Okay, I think yes, okay. Where? Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you some free stuff you can get. So, if you're a beginner, you can just go up here and stuff. Do some parkour. Okay, may as well just kill this guy. Or you can just defeat mobs and get lucky and get royal jelly. My God, why is it so hard? I don't like jumping high right now, so there's a royal jelly right up there, if you can see that. Okay, just try and get to it. Okay, now it's gonna be easy. So that's a royal jelly right there. So, and then we're not done yet. So there's a free ticket, whatever I collected, and tickets are used for like getting event bees and stuff. I wouldn't really use it on anything else. So that's my first event bee right there. I have 7 because of that. And then if you unlock, get 5 blue types of bees, you could go in here, and then you could get a free royal jelly, what's right here. So that's another thing. Let me go through this. And then, here. So here you could get another royal jelly. What's next to the hide? Next to him up there. And then you can get this over here, a micro converter, and then if you go to I think, yeah, the 15B gate, or you can try and parkour up here. I don't know if you can, but 15B gate, there's an entrance to here. So this is the red B place. So as you can see, you want to get up here. Oh, and I fell. So you're gonna want to go here and get up here. Then you want to go here. Well, it's not letting me right now. Like, there. So if I turn slowly, you can see that ticket. Let me just, yeah, right there. That's spinning right now. So you go on here, and then you can jump and collect it. I'd like collect that. So let's move on to the 5B gate. Okay. Well, after we just defeat some scorpion, why not? Oh yeah, and also, werewolf is usually the one that gives you tickets, free tickets. So I think over here, yep, that's a free strawberry right there. You can see it's spinning. I've already collected them, so don't think I'm lying. And then, I think right here there's a ticket. I don't know where exactly, but somewhere. Oh, I think I see it. So you can go here. Or is that just a honey thing? Yeah, it's just honey. I don't know if it's there, but moving on. So here you can do some parkour to that roll of jelly. So go here, there. Oh wait, I know. Easier way. Let me just go over here. If you had 8 bees, you could do this. Where is it? Okay, I'm just going over there. Oh my god, that was a waste of time. Okay, so you can do this little parkour to get up to that roll of jelly that my mouse is on. So let's go over here. So there's a roll of jelly over here, but since I have hiking boots and a cap that make me jump higher, that's why I can just jump up there. So just like that. So we're gonna go up here, and you don't need 10 bees for this. So we're gonna go here, and then here, next to the blue bee base. And then you're gonna go in this little hole that I seem to be lost in. Where am I? Okay. Yes, so if you keep going forward, so let's go back. So you can see that there's a hole here, and then you can keep going forward. So right here. So right here, you're gonna go forward, turn left, and then you can collect this roll of jelly. Okay, and then let's go to the 10B place. So there's a pineapple there, and then just for easy access, there's 3 tickets in that pineapple, what I've already collected. So let's just go there. So I would say I would go to the right over here. Let me just use this, the red cannon. So you don't need 20 bees, you just need 15 actually, but oh, and I just found something. I found a ticket. So that I did not know. I was just flying by and just found it. So let's just go check that out. So in this 20B shop, you can see a ticket right here. And that showed I got 1 ticket. That's something nice. So either you could go here, jump to that pineapple, or if you don't have that much bees, you could go here. And then I believe you could go right here, like this. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't remember how I got up there. So there's a pineapple up there, so I think you would just need to go from there and then glide all the way down here. So that's another thing. And then now I'm going to show you, if you have a gifted bee, you could get free royal jelly every day. So I have 3 gifted bees. So if you use that, you could get over here to get this royal jelly, and then you could use this free royal jelly dispenser. Of course, I need to wait 2 hours to use. Works every 12 hours, I think. Actually, 22 hours. So that's how I get most of my roll jellies, but I use them all. Oh yeah, so that's called that bee, my event bee. Okay. And then there's another one here. So this is another roll jelly. So I'm going to teach you how to get this. So it's the same way. You're going to go here to this 10B place. Then you're going to go here, here, and then you're going to go all the way back here. So you can just use a parachute or glider all the way here. Okay, I'm gonna go Vicious Bee hunting right now. So I'll show you what Vicious Bee is, hopefully if I find it. Because I am trying to get a Vicious Bee. Vicious Bee usually spawns in Rosefield, but never mind. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you that inside Werewolf's cave, you can find a free gold egg. So let me just defeat him. Oh yeah, and you could get a free ticket from Werewolf. So let me just kill him. Please bees do your work. Look, see? It's most of the time, like always sometimes, like, you get a ticket. So in here, there's gonna be a monster that one-shots you. You're gonna need not 1,000 haste, 10 or 6 times haste to be able to get that gold egg back there. I've already got it. So, and then you can get 2 star jellies. So you need one ace badge for this. Earn an ace badge to enter. And then you need 15 badges to get in here. And then you get on here and then you keep spam jumping here and then you can get up. And then I think there's one more. Let's see. So I believe, yes, I remember another one. So at the 20B gate, you could get a free amp pass. But usually every 2 hours, you'll get a free one if you go here consistently. Like right here, you can use free amp pass dispenser every 2 hours. But go right here. Then go all the way back here, and then turn, look, and then you got another amp pass, right there. And then, there's just a gummy bee. And then, I believe there's right here you could get 2 free tickets. So right over there you could get a free ticket. And I think you could jump up here and then you could get it, but otherwise I don't know another way. Or you could just go around and then where the amp pass was, go to the gummy bee, come here and then you can get it, and then there's another one right here, so wait, I thought you could go through that way. Let me see. Yeah, and then there's an entrance to this, and then there's if you keep jumping on the lava, you wouldn't die. My brother found that out, and then I think you would go up here. Where's the free roll of jelly? So that's it for today's video. And don't forget to smash that like button, punch that notification button, and put a like on this video. That'd mean a lot to me, and see you on the next one. Bye.